I love everything about Flipsnack. In fact, I think what I love most is learning the capacities. Again, as you dive deeper into these tools, it's amazing how much you can do. When I was introduced to your company, I first thought it was just a flipbook, but it's so much more. So you have internal creation, you have the ability to add lead capture. I can keep my team 100% accurate all of the time. Not only is my team accurate, but every single visitor who has come out prior that's still considering a purchase, when they revisit that flipbook, they're updated with current time. So this is a great way to communicate sold units, to create that urgency with people who haven't made the decision yet, but are still inevitably visiting that flipbook so that they can see that things are moving. And that can create some urgency. So the team loves it. I love it because of the ability to manipulate and keep it live 100% of the time. Once I found out the power of this tool, I left print behind. Flipsnack saves a tremendous amount of money in print costs. One run for 500 brochures, you can easily be $2,500 if you're saddle stitching and printing them. So not only do you save that first run, but you're also saving all of the design time and design costs, and then the reruns when you're having things change. So if I were given 4 communities old time, I would have no chance because the designer books out for 2 months, and then they're going to have to take the time to build each brochure, understand the community through my eyes. Because I have Flipsnack, I was actually able to build all of the tools needed to launch these communities within the span of less than a week. Before Flipsnack, brochures were quite tedious. What we would need to do is package all of our concepts and branding and design ideas and send it off to a third-party design team. After that was complete, then we would actually have to take it and physically print it. So all of this combined was crazy expensive in both monetary and time. I think one of the coolest things that has recently been added, or at least recently discovered, is being able to upload a photo and then you have an AI tool built into the program that creates movement within a photo. Beyond that, I actually really like the ability to provide what we're doing is little calling cards on site that have a QR code that push to the brochure. They're actually being taken directly to the website where I host an internal embedded copy of a small brochure. So not only are they getting all the information, but I'm driving traffic to my site to actually extend that message further. I would 100% recommend Flipsnack to any real estate agent, regardless of if you're specializing in resale or definitely if you're on the new construction side of things. Not only is it going to make your life easier, it's going to sell more homes and it's going to set you apart from all of your competition. I'm excited for the future with Flipsnack. The team there is constantly innovating and listening to customers. And one of the most exciting features for me as a real estate agent is the MLS to flipbook feature that is in the works. What this will allow us to do is once we build our listing in MLS, it'll actually self-populate into the beautiful templates that the Flipsnack team puts together and build a out-of-the-box 0 to 60 brochure that can be leveraged for marketing and again create that saleability for the listing without doing any work other than just pressing the button. So that's going to be a cool one to use.